Husqvarna.
What started in 1689 as a weapons factory for Swedish King Carl XI took a pioneering leap into the future with the release of the very first Husqvarna motorcycle in 1903. An exciting and eventful entry into the two-wheeled world, as Husqvarna boldly led the way in the many new forms of motorcycling of the mid-20th century. When the Husqvarna Motorcycles brand was reborn in 2013, a complete range of new bikes was released in a very short period, followed by the unveiling of the radical 701 Supermoto street prototype. In 2014, the brand soared to record sales success, while the Vitpilen and Svartpilen concept bikes reaffirmed Husqvarna's future vision. And now the first new generation production street models are arriving in dealers. The 701 Supermoto realizes the radical street prototype, first shown in 2013, along with the new dual sport 701 Enduro. With many more developments on the horizon, Husqvarna Motorcycles' pioneering vision continues. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the CEO of the KTM Husqvarna Group, Mr. Stefan Pierer.
Welcome to everybody. It's always nice to have such a crowded audience. It's like a racer, then you are very motivated. So, a warm welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Husqvarna press conference. In this year's press conference, as a playing captain of the KTM Husqvarna Group, I have a very nice role. I have to do the warm-up program. It's very short. I can send messages and some statements, and then later on I will hand over to the management team, to Reinhold Zenz and Oliver Göring, and at the final end to Maxime, who is in charge for the next real street motorcycle under the brand name Husqvarna. So last year, you remember, or some of you hopefully have also participated on the press conference, I had the honor to talk about the so successful integration of the youngest member in our family. It's Husqvarna. The successful integration and the first record, 14,000 units last year. And this year, even for me, it's astonishing. Mission accomplished, more than 20,000 units, just off-road motorcycles. Can you expect what's going on later on with street motorcycles? So, as a short message, I can tell you, this brand has the power to become, in the next 5 years, number 3 in Europe. And you know quite exactly who is number 1 and number 2. But number 3, it's Husqvarna. So, Reinhold Zenz, please come on the stage.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pierer. Welcome to everybody. Good afternoon. It was an exciting 2 years of Husqvarna Motorcycles in the new era of Husqvarna Motorcycles. Not only the sales successes we did, but in 2 years' time, we started all from scratch. And now, it's time to talk about the future. The sales success and sales records we did, as Mr. Pierer said, is only with off-road motorcycles. But what is coming now is the street future. And at the moment, the first 701 Supermotos and 701 Enduros are heading towards the dealers. The first real street bikes in the new era of Husqvarna Motorcycles. But that's just the beginning. Because, as you have seen last year, we presented here in Milano on the EICMA show the Vitpilen 401 and the Svartpilen 401. We're working on both bikes, and today it's a great pleasure being able to announce to you that the Vitpilen 401 is scheduled for springtime 2017. And that's not the only bike that will come in springtime 2017. There will also be a Vitpilen 1 to 5 for all commuters, for all youngsters that start into their new motorcycle career. And that's, I have to repeat myself again, that's only the start. Because what we brought today here on stage is the real future of Husqvarna Motorcycles. I'm inviting onto the stage my colleague in the management of Husqvarna Motorcycles, Mr. Oliver Göring.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome also from my side. So the tension is rising. After the 401 and 1 to 5 Vitpilen, of course, there will be a follow-up, and this is what we're going to show you today. And what will it be? It will be a pure rider's bike. It will be a mighty single cylinder. It will be powerful, it will be agile, it will be lightweight. And of course, it will contain the most modern technology available on the market. And also, as a matter of course, it will incorporate what every Husqvarna motorcycle is standing for. Its pioneering spirit to conquer new markets, premium quality down to the very last component, and its unmistakable Swedish roots shown by a unique design. And when we talk about design, I would like you to welcome the lead designer behind the concept, Maxime Tovineau, on the stage.
Thank you, Mr. Göring. As mentioned, I'm Maxime Touvenin from Kiska, where we design the Husqvarnas. And I'm very happy to say a few words about the design. Exactly a year ago, we presented 2 show bikes that expressed our vision of how Husqvarna real street bike could look and feel. The idea meant reducing all the visible parts to the limit, allowing to see once again a motorcycle as minimalistic and clean as they once were. However, the treatment we used is as pioneering, progressive, and modern as we could make it. Now in 2015, we're about to present you a new bike, and with this bike, we tried to create the most radically reduced motorcycle. The first thing you'll see is the split that actually precisely connects all the components of the bike. The main characteristic of this bike is the paradox between the simple and puristic silhouette and the complex integration of all the mechanical elements. With this bike, you're about to see the next step of Husqvarna real street bike lineup. But before we unveil the bike, we would like to show you a video.
Perfection. It's not about more or less, but about precisely enough. There is a fine line between too much and too little. Now, you can ride that line. Forget everything that you know about street motorcycles. Husqvarna.
Come on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Husqvarna Vitpilen 701.
Congratulations. It's cool. It's the real street motorcycle, state of the art. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for your attention. And you can expect next year much more, with slightly more displacement. So, see you next year, same time, same station. Thank you very much.
Husqvarna.